Are they like donuts?
Yeah.
Ooh, can I have a fork and a knife?
Yeah.
And ooh, and a napkin?
Yeah.
Ooh, and a drink?
You want Alphabeta? That's our new drink.
Okay. I don't have a fork. I don't have a napkin. I don't have a drink. Welcome to my channel! That might sound familiar, and it's because it's Moe's slogan, basically. I don't know if you've ever gone to a Moe's, we walked in, and you hear, "Welcome to Moe's," every single time. They have completely redone their restaurant, outside and in, including their menu. So, we have a lot of things to try today. Burrito that looks like a burrito, and so we'll deal with that when the time comes. I have a drink now. It is pear and cucumber agua fresca, so loosely translates or directly translates to fresh water. What do you say? Agua fresca, fresh water. It's nice. It's kind of like lemonade. Bit different because it's not made with lemons, but it still has like a slight tartness to it. Kind of sweet, very refreshing though. So this is good. Let's try, how about we try the quinoa bowl first? So again, this is quinoa, avocado, chihuahua cheese. There is some like corn, cilantro inside of here. Also, this is my only meal today, so I'm very hungry. Ooh, there's shrimp in here. It's actually really good. I have to be honest, I'm not usually a fan of quinoa, but I think it's because people don't cook it the right way. But I really like this. It's very tomatoey. The sauce in it is like tomato based, it tastes like. So it's a familiar flavor. There's a lot of brightness and acidity to it though, because they have like fresh tomatoes, so you get that nice acid. And it goes really well with the shrimp and the avocado. And the shrimp are actually cooked really well. I'm always skeptical of seafood when I'm eating it at like a fast casual type restaurant, because I feel like there isn't often a lot of care. Seafood can go bad really fast, but this tastes really fresh. And it's not overcooked, which is like the more serious offense, or the most common offense, at least, when I eat shrimp. People just hammer it. Like, why? It already died once. Guys, this is really good. I don't want to stop eating it. But I feel like I should try some of the other things so I don't completely fill up on this. So I'll have one more bite, we'll move on. That's really surprising to me. I'm not like a quinoa bowl type girl, but that's really good. Alright, next up, we have a smoked brisket torta. I'm rolling up my sleeves. Oh my goodness. bread's nice and crispy. That's also really good. Also, I have sauce all over my face. You can see it, right? It's not just me. I'm a mess. The brisket is super tender. So the sauce that this is paired with is a tomato sauce, but they add chilies to it. And so it's got that nice like chili flavor, but I'm very familiar again with the tomatoes. I feel like it's really smart too, because the chilies have like lend themselves to like smokier foods like brisket. So the chilies really make the tomatoes go well with this meat, in my opinion. And I'm really a fan of everything they put inside of here. I'm not usually a lettuce and tomato person. This is really good. The bread is like nice and chewy. It's so good. Guys, it is weird that I don't have anything to complain about so far. Tacos! So they've double stacked the tortilla, and this is crispy avocado. So, I didn't want to say anything before I ate this, but I'm usually not a fan of cooked avocado, like fried avocado, because I hate hot avocado. It's gross. This isn't hot. How? How is it not hot? It's super crunchy on the outside and it's not hot. This is like creamy inside. I'm like thoroughly confused in like the best way. I'm so happy right now. Those raw onions are so good. They're just like a little spicy, you know? And they've cut them nice and thick. It's a big piece of onion, but it works, I think. haven't been to Moe's in a long time. I'm super excited about this change. Like before, I'm gonna be honest, I'd come here and I would really just want the queso. Not that I didn't like the burritos, I'm just like not a burrito person necessarily. Like I like them, but it's not like something that I crave all the time. So when I did come, my fiance Shane is like obsessed with Moe's Monday, which I don't know if they'll still have, but they did $5 burritos every Monday. And every Monday, that's what he would eat. And he was obsessed with them. Oh, my napkins fell. I'm literally saving all of this. Don't worry, guys. I'm not getting, like, throwing out what I'm not eating here. It's coming home with me. Rest assured. Okay. I'm actually, like, might be the most excited about these, like, little bowls here. So this is the elote, the mac and queso, and donuts. So what it's mixed with, it's a little loose, a little salty, a little tangy. Yeah, that's good. The corn is really sweet. Yeah. That's really good. I love elote. Do you guys like elote? It's mac and cheese time and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Guys, this might be dangerous. Damn it. If it weren't right in front of me. Oh my gosh. So creamy. Oh my god. It is so creamy. A really mild cheese flavor that just like coats your tongue with that hint of spice. And how cute are those noodles? Yeah. Delicious. Really good. All right. We're gonna have some donuts. And then we're gonna try the OG, the burrito with queso. Oh my god. They taste like little mini, like, churros. Like donut holes, but churro holes. The reason I say donut hole is because they're like cakey on the inside, like a cake donut. And then it's got that kind of like sugary coating on the outside. There's dulce de leche all over the top of it. Oh my god. I ate almost all the donuts, guys. Let's finish up here with the OG. This is really the bread and butter of Moe's, or has been in the past. The burrito. A lot of people love them. Shane, my fiance, I told you, one of those people. And I, of course, got a side of queso. For my dipping pleasure. Oh, guys, I'm so full. Why did I get a burrito? Oh, that's right, because I wanted something drenched in queso. What is actually wrong with me? Something's got to happen, guys. I think I might go healthy for a few weeks, and you guys might just have to deal with that. And I apologize in advance. And is there still stuff all over my face? Oh. Alright, guys. I hope that this helped you decide whether or not you want to come and check out Moe's new concept restaurant. It's like all brand new outside, new inside, new menu, everything. They do still have some of their old favorites, so I highly recommend that you come check it out. I was very surprised at how much I liked all of this stuff. You know how skeptical I am of a lot of things. I really, really, really liked a lot of their stuff here, and I'm surprised that it's coming out of a place like Moe's. Like a fast casual restaurant, you know what I mean? Not just like a sit-down restaurant. If you have not subscribed to me on YouTube already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I love going around out to different places and trying different types of food to see if they're good or not. I love taste testing recipes at home to see if they're good or not. So if you're interested in any of that, definitely give me a subscribe, and if you want to be notified about when I post, you can hit the little bell below to be notified every single time I post a video. If you're not following me on Instagram, I am at _hunger_diaries. If you're interested to like see me in my everyday life doing things other than eating, my story on Instagram is where you would see that. So I highly recommend you go over to that platform if you want to see any of that. And also, I do a lot of short form videos on my Instagram channel, so shorter, like much shorter videos like this, so it's much different content that you can see there as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. It's been fun being indoors doing my thing, like trying recipes and stuff, but I'm like really excited to be out at a place trying their food right now. It's much more fun for me, so I hope that you guys had a good time today too. And yeah, per usual, I will see you guys. I think today is Tuesday that I'm posting this, so like actually happy Taco Tuesday. But I will see you guys on Thursday. See you guys next time. Bye.